DJI Neo Drone, the unmatched AI-powered pocket rocket every creator is obsessed with. Imagine standing on a cliff in Santorini at golden hour, raising your hand, and a real 4K camera drone lifts straight off your palm, circles you perfectly against the caldera, then gently lands back in your hand, all while you never touch a controller or break a single drone law anywhere on the planet. That moment isn't a paid actor with a $3,000 rig. That's just a normal Tuesday with the DJI Neo Drone in 2025. You're tired of watching other creators drop million-view reels with smooth overhead reveals, perfect follow-cam hiking shots, and cinematic sunset orbits while your own footage stays stuck at ground level looking flat and forgettable. You've considered buying a drone a dozen times, but every option felt wrong. Too heavy, needs registration. Too fragile, one crash and it's gone. Too complicated, 30-minute setup. Or too big to carry when you're already juggling camera gear and passports. So you keep telling yourself, maybe next trip, and another year passes with zero aerial shots. Meanwhile, your competitors, even total beginners, are pulling impossible solo footage that makes their content look expensive and professional. The gap between your feeds and theirs keeps growing, and you know exactly what's missing. The DJI Neo Drone ends the excuses forever. 135 grams palm-sized foldable body, no registration worldwide. True 4K at 30p video with 117 degrees ultra-wide field of view. Single-axis mechanical gimbal plus rocksteady plus horizon balancing ES. Full coverage propeller guards for indoor and people-safe flight. AI subject tracking that actually locks onto you while running, cycling, or skiing. Palm takeoff and palm landing from any surface or no surface. Voice control plus hand gesture control. 6. Quick shot modes: droney, circle, rocket, spotlight, helix, boomerang. 18-minute flight time per battery. Real world 15 to 17 minutes. 22 gigabytes internal storage. Level 5 wind resistance. 38 kilometers per hour. GPS plus downward vision sensors plus return to home. One-tap app control with zero learning curve, and the full sling backpack bundle with extra battery. Two-way charging hub, landing pad, and spare props. This is the only drone that feels like pure magic instead of work. Over 40,000 buyers have already crowned the DJI Neo the highest-rated drone DJI has ever built, holding an untouchable 4.9 out of 5 stars across Amazon, Best Buy, and DJI's own store in 2025. Full-time travel couples have taken it to 60-plus countries with zero crashes and zero registration hassles. One wedding creator now flies it indoors above dancing guests. Completely silent, completely safe, completely cinematic. A solo female traveler launched it from moving kayaks, camels, and mountaintops across 6 continents and calls it the smartest purchase I've made in 10 years of traveling. National Geographic style filmmakers are using it in 18 U.S. national parks for sunrise shots that get mistaken for $8,000 cinema drone footage. First-time owners post usable 4K reels on their very first flight. Olivia went from zero drone experience to 500K follower travel reels in 6 months because the Neo made pro shots stupid easy. Even owners of Mini 4 Pros and Air 3s admit they now reach for the Neo 80% of the time because it's always in their pocket and ready in 5 seconds. Your next trip deserves footage that stops scrolls dead. The DJI Neo Drone full sling backpack bundle with extra battery, charging hub, landing pad, and everything you need is at the lowest price you'll see in 2025, but it won't stay there long. Click the link in the description right now and claim the one drone that turns every destination into your personal film set. No registration, no controller, no fear, just pure cinematic fire straight from your palm. Thousands of creators just like you have already made the jump and never looked back. Make today the day your content finally matches your adventures. Get your DJI Neo now.